Cloudphix Technologies wishes you and your family a happy and prosperous Bakrid. Start your career journey with Cloudphix and get your dream IT opportunities in cloud technologies. We provide online IT trainings and cloud management services. We provided courses like cloud computing, Azure, AWS, and GCP. Azure SQL DBA, Azure SQL DBA, Google Cloud DBA, Power BI, Python, DevOps Azure, AWS, and GCP. SQL Server Developer. We are conducting a free workshop in Kurnool on 23rd July 2023. Contact us at this number or you can join and register WhatsApp group for more info.